Welcome to Hype Tech Picks. If you're thinking about upgrading your creative workshop with a laser engraver that's powerful, reliable, and incredibly easy to use on wood, this video's for you. Today, we're covering the top 5 best laser engravers, chosen for their cutting power, safety features, precision, and overall value. For more details and the latest prices, you'll find all the product links in the description below. Now, let's get this list started right away. We're kicking things off with the xTool S1 Enclosed Laser Engraver. This incredible machine is an absolute beast, packing a massive 40-watt diode laser module that slices through thick cherry wood like butter in a single pass. It features a spacious bed size, pinpoint positioning technology, and blazing speeds up to 600 millimeters per second. The fully enclosed design offers Class 1 safety, filtering out harmful light so you'll not need to wear bulky safety goggles, while also keeping smoke and noise locked inside. It's extremely easy to set up, but we noticed the spring-loaded height probe can occasionally dent soft wood or give false focus readings. Also, keep in mind there's no motor braking, meaning you can easily bump the laser head out of alignment during manual setup. While the companion software is highly intuitive, it can get quirky when paired with Lightburn, and you'll need to buy the separate feeder to unlock the auto pass-through feature. If you want a premium, high-end workhorse for heavy-duty wood projects, then this is a safe, reliable, and highly recommended choice for your own creative workshop. Next up is the xTool F2 Ultra Engraver. This portable powerhouse packs a dual laser setup, featuring a 15-watt diode laser and a 5-watt infrared laser. This combo allows it to handle over 300 materials, making it incredibly versatile for wood engraving while also offering deep color marking on metals. With a built-in 50-megapixel camera, we get a clear real-time preview of the workspace, delivering precise alignment accuracy on small items to eliminate material waste. It's a fantastic, robust design that easily fits into any compact workspace or small storefront. Its blazing speed reaches up to 6,000 millimeters per second, making it perfect for quick customization. But keep in mind, the working plate is exceptionally small, and because the laser head is static, cuts can turn out slanted rather than perfectly straight. Users have also flagged that mandatory software updates can occasionally brick the machine, and customer support relies heavily on annoying automated help. Still, if you need a fast, compact, and highly portable dual laser machine for small-scale projects, it delivers impressive precision and will scale your commercial productivity quite well.
Now we're checking out the Twotrees TTS-55 Laser Engraver. If you're on a tight budget, this machine offers fantastic value, packing a 5.5-watt laser with a decent 300 by 300 millimeter workspace. It uses advanced compression laser technology to deliver strong cutting power and sharp details. Running on a fast 32-bit control board, it supports speeds up to 30,000 millimeters per minute, making it a fast and durable starter machine that is highly capable for daily crafting. However, you'll need plenty of patience for the assembly. The initial setup is extremely difficult, and some users had to tear it down and rebuild it several times before getting it right. Also, despite what the marketing claims, this isn't actually a metal engraver, so don't expect it to etch steel. But if your main focus is carving wood, leather, or acrylic, it performs beautifully. It's fully compatible with Lightburn and Laser GRBL, making it the perfect budget-friendly replacement for older entry-level rigs that will keep running for years to come without any major hardware issues at all right now. In the 4th spot, we have the ACMER S1 Laser Engraver. This is a super compact, lightweight option that's almost entirely pre-assembled right out of the box, requiring only 1 minute to install the laser head. It packs a 3.5-watt diode laser with a 0.04 millimeter fine laser spot, allowing it to produce incredibly detailed and crisp engravings. With a compact workspace measuring 130 by 130 millimeters, it's perfect for hobbyists or small-scale craft makers who have very limited desk space. However, the tiny workbed means you can only tackle small projects like coasters, patches, or keychains. There's also a notable learning curve, and Mac users have reported significant frustration trying to connect the machine to modern MacBooks. You'll need a USB hub with an older input to get it working, and the native software is cryptic and prone to errors. But if you're looking for a highly affordable, space-saving desktop engraver for small woodcrafts, its stunning detail and robust build quality make it an incredible value pick for your home studio. Finally, we have the Carverall K15 Pro Laser Engraver. This unit punches well above its weight, delivering a verified 10-watt diode module that stays exceptionally cool under pressure thanks to dual cooling fans. It features an 11.8 by 7.9-inch workbed that's roughly near A4 size, giving you the perfect, highly optimized middle ground between tiny desktop rigs and giant industrial setups. It also operates at 4K precision with one-touch smart focus, making pet portraits and detailed wood signs look incredibly professional. Assembly takes only a few minutes with 6 screws, but there are a few hardware quirks to note. The focus toggle on the side of the shield is quite stiff, and adjusting it can flex the machine if you aren't careful. Some users have also encountered software bugs where you have to restart the machine and software between repeat jobs. Still, it's highly upgradable, allowing you to add an infrared head or a rotary roller down the road. If you want a robust, expandable, and highly versatile wood engraver, it's a stellar buy for any crafter. And that wraps up our detailed countdown of the top 5 best laser engravers for wood currently available on the market right now. If this informative video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Hype Tech Picks, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest high-quality tech reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching our channel, and we'll see you in the very next exciting video we release here.